We all use the mouse to click and move around in Word, but did you know that simple click combinations can make selecting and formatting text much faster? In this video, we'll explore some powerful shortcuts using double-click, triple-click, and keystroke combinations. Let's start with double-clicking. This simple action allows for quick text selection and efficient editing. First, double-click on a word. Notice that the entire word is selected instantly. This is useful when you need to quickly change formatting, such as making the text bold or italic. When you want to select a single line of the text, simply click once in the left margin of that line to select it. These shortcuts help you work more efficiently when editing documents. Now, let's explore the triple-click method. This technique allows you to select large sections of text instantly. Triple-click anywhere within a paragraph. You will see that the entire paragraph is selected immediately. This is great for quickly reformatting or copying entire sections without manually dragging your mouse. Triple-click in the left margin of the document. This time, the entire document is selected at once. This is the fastest way to highlight everything in your document without using the Select All command. Instead of clicking and dragging, which can be problematic at times, these shortcuts make text selection much faster and easier. Now, let's look at some advanced shortcuts that use a combination of mouse clicks and keyboard keys. These allow for precise selection and can be very useful in specific formatting situations. Press Ctrl and click any part of a sentence. This shortcut selects the entire sentence, saving you time compared to manually highlighting it. Press Ctrl and double-click on multiple words. This allows you to select non-continuous words, meaning you can highlight and format separate words at once without affecting the text in between. Press Alt and click, then drag the mouse vertically. This allows you to select text in a vertical column. This is particularly useful for tabular-like text, lists, or formatting columns without affecting surrounding text. These advanced techniques allow for greater control over your text selection, making formatting much more efficient. And that's it. By using these simple mouse and keyboard shortcuts, you can navigate, select, and format text much faster in Microsoft Word. Try them out and see how much time you save in your daily work.